In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an Adobe Sign document in just 5 minutes. Managing digital documents can sometimes feel overwhelming, but sharing them shouldn't be. Whether you're sending contracts, agreements, or any other important documentation, this guide will make it easy for you to forward your documents to the appropriate recipients using Adobe Sign. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Adobe Sign is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from any browser that you find convenient. Simply type in the Adobe Sign website address and hit Enter. Once the page loads, take a moment to get acquainted with the interface if you aren't already familiar with it. Next, you'll need to log into your Adobe Sign account. If you use Adobe Sign regularly, entering your credentials will be a breeze. If you're doing this for the first time or you're using this on a new device, be sure to have your login details handy. Logging in not only gives you access to your documents, but also provides a secure environment for sending and receiving important files. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your account's main dashboard. Here is where you'll find all of the documents that you've worked on recently. Navigate to the specific document you want to forward. Usually, this means looking through your document list or searching for the document title if you have many files stored. Once you've located it, open the document so you can initiate the sharing process. Now, look for an option typically labeled as Share or Send a Copy. Depending on which version of Adobe Sign you're using, the exact wording may vary just a little bit. These options are usually prominently displayed and designed to lead seamlessly into the next step of inputting recipient information. Here, you will enter the email address of the individual you want to forward the document to. Make sure to double-check the email for accuracy before proceeding. Mistyped emails could result in delays or privacy issues, so attention to detail is key. Finally, choose how you want to share your document. You can either share it directly or send a copy of the link for them to access. Both methods are effective, but providing a link can sometimes offer more flexibility for the recipient to download or review at their convenience. Once you've shared the document or sent the link, it's always a good practice to inform the recipient via email or a quick message so they know to expect it. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive process to forward an Adobe Sign document. This method streamlines the workflow of handling electronic signatures and ensures the documents reach their destination securely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.